Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Meet. So we're going to go to the website meet.google.com. And right here we can see the main screen of meet.google.com. Here on the left sidebar you have two options, meetings and calls. Now the three dashes here is click to open it or close it. So right now we're having it open and we're going to leave it like that. So we're currently under the Meetings tab, and the Meetings tab is where you can actually create a meeting or start a meeting. As you can see the blue button here, New Meeting, so we're going to simply click on it, and there you can see three options: create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, or schedule a meeting in Google Calendar. So you could decide to use any of these options here for collaboration. Now, of course, if you want to create a link for a meeting, you're going to choose the first option, and you can see the link icon here. Of course, you're going to click on it, and when you click on it, you're going to have a link. So this link is generated because you clicked it. So we're going to click on it to copy the link, and this link will now be available for you to use with your other collaborators. Now, of course, if you're trying to join a meeting, all you need to do is to click on this area here where you have enter a code or link. So we're going to paste what we copied, assuming we received it from another collaborator, and then the button here activates to join the meeting. Before joining a meeting, it's important to know your devices. So we're going to go up to settings at the top right corner here. You can see settings with the gear icon, and we'll click on it. As you can see for the audio, you can select any other microphone you have, and you could also set the speaker, and then video is going to help you to see if your camera is working or if you're going to choose whichever camera you'll be using for your meeting. And then here in general, you have the option to toggle on and off any of this information here, such as send additional diagnostic info to Google, or you could leave empty calls. The second option in the sidebar here is the calls. So when you click on calls, you have the option to start a call or create a group link. And then you're going to have your address, of course, which others can also meet with you. So you have the option to create a group link or start a call. And of course, you could go ahead and finish your setup by adding your phone number. But of course, if you don't want to do that, you can go ahead and start a call. So in Google Meet, you can start meetings and you can start calls. So if you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us. So feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We're eager to hear from you.